Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your girl Decenta who loves things all on sale, and on this channel we talk about everything that does not break the bank. If that sounds like something you're interested in, come on in, come on in. Hey guys, hey. Okay, so it is Super Bowl Sunday, and y'all, we're about to go browse the Goodwill. We're just window shopping today. Nothing really, shopping for anything in particular. You guys know I'm on a no buy break here, so we're just doing a little window shopping here. The only way that I will buy something if it's like really like unique, but I'm just gonna take you guys thrift shopping with me. Let's go. All right, guys, so first up we have some furniture. I decided to just go ahead and see what they had here. Y'all, this furniture, I remember my aunt used to have a furniture set like this. Y'all, is this not 70, 80 vibe? I could definitely see that in like a artsy restaurant, like a chill type of vibe. And then I checked out some dressers because I am looking for one to do over, repurpose for my closet. I didn't really see much in the furniture section, but I did see this chair that I could possibly sit outside on my balcony. It kind of goes with my vibes out there, but I didn't get it. But it was cute. I think it was $14.99 or $13.99. But yeah, I like to check out the furniture section because it's definitely a hit or miss. You never know what, the thrift store is going to have. So I feel like I always try to check out the furniture section. And then, y'all, I am on the Soft 75 challenge and I have to read 10 books. I was just looking and browsing to see what kind of books they had. I'm trying to get like physical books, not just like ones that you can like read online, like the auto books or the Kindles. I like to touch my books. I like to, I'm a visual person, so I like to read actual books, like in my hand. But I was just checking out to see what kind of books they had. I didn't see any, one in particular that I wanted to read. We are trying to get back into like eating healthy, so we did find some books, like some healthy recipe books. So they were super cute. And then you guys know I have a vinyl in my music room, and I was checking, well, a vinyl player, but I was checking out the vinyls to see. I never really look up when it comes to vinyls. It's always like some artist that I don't know, some group I don't know. So I always kind of browse through there. I don't really go like pick up every one. I just kind of browse. Okay, guys, so we're gonna head on to the blazer section, and this is in the men's section. I told you guys on the previous video that I like going into the men's section first, and so since it was right beside the furniture area, I decided to go ahead and give it a look here. I love this brown blazer, but again, it's definitely too big for me. But I like to look at the men blazers. I like my blazers to hit a certain way on my body so it doesn't look too oversized. So you guys keep that in mind. Like if you're like looking for like a oversized fit, you can definitely do that with men. Even you can do like a slim fit for men's if you want it to look like tailored. So it just depends what you're going into the thrift store. All right, so y'all know I love slides. Like they're me. I like these. Y'all, since I had my baby, I cannot wear a size 8. And I don't know what's that all about. But these shoes were giving like spring. They were really giving spring vibes with the color, like the pop of color, the flowers. Like I'm really like digging how bright this section was in the shoes because normally this store normally don't have any shoes, y'all, but on this particular day, it was given bright and ready, okay? It was given Easter Sunday. It was giving First Lady, okay? It was given a lot. So I checked out some shoes. I didn't see anything that really caught my eye, but I did see some good finds here. Like these boots right here. Y'all comment in the comment section below. Would you guys thrift these actual boots? As I was staring close to them, because I was like, oh, like these are really cute. Then I flipped them over and y'all, they had like, you see right here, I don't know if that's like a stain. I don't know what that is. Like, I feel like, I don't know. It was like something black, and I tried to like see if it would come off with my hands, and no, it was not coming off. But they were cute. And I like these wedges for some reason. I mean, I'm into like denim, but I really like that those wedges here because y'all, after the baby again, feet comfort, those heels, those stiletto heels, like these, whew, y'all, I'm trying to get back to those, but I need to start with the kitty heels. But y'all, I like those shoes. Do y'all like those Aldo gold shoes? Comment below if you like those. And then also, I really like these shoes too. Like, I feel like if I was going to like something formal, I would definitely get these shoes. They were cute. And then I also seen a silver pair. It was a Fashion Nova. Yeah, there they go right there. It was Fashion Nova. I thought it was so cute. I was like, somebody cleaned out their closet, okay? A lot of people are doing spring clean out early, y'all. So definitely make sure you're checking the racks. Y'all, I really like this purse. I was gonna get it. But then I thought, where am I gonna wear this at anytime soon? And I like this bag. It kind of remind me of like a beach bag. You guys know I really love beach bags. I love beach bags real down. I always look for beach bags when I go into the thrift store. I love this. It's just in time for Valentine's Day. Like, it was just so cute. It was pink. That's blush, y'all. That's one of my favorite colors, blush. But yeah, back to the beach bag, y'all. I really love that bag. I feel like you can put your towels and just extra things in there, like super cute, right? So I seen this skirt, y'all, and I knew it wasn't in my size, but I wanted to show y'all this skirt because it's really different. Like, this would be a unique piece that you could dress up. Like, you could wear it with like a t-shirt or a sweatshirt. It'll be a good transitional piece into winter and to spring. But I was trying to match, like find the matching set to that. But I kind of liked it because it was kind of gold and, you know. And then I like these pants too. They were green, but they were like a highlight green. And you guys know that I'm on my quiet luxury. I'm trying to stick with neutral colors now. Well, right now that may change. But yeah, I like this green. But I also went to the mint green because I've been really trying to find like more pieces with like a lighter green, you know, to go with the neutral colors of the quiet luxury. So yeah, I was just like, you know, I'm not really into the pop of color right now. That's just not me. But if you are, then definitely browse on, okay? Browse on. But honestly, y'all, I feel like this store just was not giving anything. So you're going to have days where you go into the thrift store and you don't buy anything because you don't see anything. So don't try to force it, okay? Don't try to force it. I did see these Zara pants, but again, they were just okay. All right, guys. So I just left the thrift store and I did not see any thrift. Like, I didn't see anything. I wasn't feeling that thrift store. So I just went ahead and left. Because, like, one thing about me, if I'm not feeling it, I'm definitely not going to try to. Yeah, like I said, like, one thing about me, I am not going to force anything. If it's just not my day, it's just not my day. If I'm not seeing anything, I will definitely leave in a heartbeat. But I'm about to go and run some errands. I don't know if there is a thrift store around this part of where I'm going. But if so, I'll show you guys. If not, I'll catch you guys on the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video. I'm going to be showing you guys more on how you can style your thrift finds and just more, you know, come shop with me so you guys can see my thought process when I enter in the thrift store, like how my mind goes to like how I can style different pieces. And hopefully it'll give you more confidence of like like, comment, and subscribe, and I